Hello from British School. Yes, hello, I'm Miss Natalie and this is the science lesson. So you are our guest of the video and we provide two experiments today. The first will be, and the second will be, connected with density of liquids. Especially we'll take water today. First of all, we have the glass of usual water, we have half of it, and we have the usual egg. Yes. The thing is, and we would like to prove that in one case, our usual egg sinks. In the second case, it doesn't. It is floating on the surface of water. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? In what case could it be, and just how can it work? Any ideas, my students? Any? Nikita?
I think if there's going to be salt, it's not going to drown. If there's no salt, it's going to drown.
Yeah, of course. And how can this salt work in this case? How can it help us? My dear, this is the scientific thing. This is the thing of density of water. If we have usual running water, you see, we have the spoon and we're trying to see. Yeah. Oh, where is it? It's at the bottom, yeah? So it sinks, yeah? It sinks, right? So Nikita, you were right, wonderful. But let's change the situation, yes? How can we change it? We may add salt. Will you help me? Yes, maybe Anastasia. Help me please. Please take the spoon, take the salt, usual salt that we have in cooking, nothing special. Yes, all the salt, my dear, all the salt. Adding the salt to the water, we change the density of water. And the situation also should be different, my dear. Yes, everything? Yeah. And now please pour it and stir it. Yes. Thoroughly, carefully, yeah. Okay. Yes, thank you. So Ariana, help us please. Also stir it. We need to solve it, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Vova, please. Vova. Thank you. And Nikita. So, according to our theory, now, the situation should be different. You say, Miss Natalie, finishes. Okay. Now we have salty water and the egg should be floating. You see, it doesn't sink. Mostly it's floating. Yeah?
Yes.
The more salt in the water there is in the water, the more the egg will be on the surface. Do you see? So we add not so much salt, but still it is floating. You see? Yes. Oh, it can be different, really different. This is the first experiment and we'll take the second. The second is very interesting too. We've got what? We've got the charcoal. Water, usual running water, nothing special. And we have an orange. Usual fruit. What do you think? What will happen if I put it inside?
It's not going to drown.
Will it sink or not?
No.
Guesses?
No.
No. Okay, right, you are, yes. And do you know why?
No.
Is it this way? Do you know?
No, because it's white.
The thing is, my dear, I will explain to you a little bit later. It seems to be very simple, the key for this experiment. But let's change the situation. What do you think we'll do? We'll peel the orange, okay? I will help you to make it faster. And if we peel an orange, what do you think? What will be? What do you think?
Going to drown.
It's going to drown. Yes, going to sink. Yes. But do you think it will really help? Yes. Will it work?
Yes.
Okay. Just a second.
What if we peel it? So, 50-50.
So Miss Natalie is trying to do my best. Okay. Yes. So by the way, it's unpeeled now, and let's try to put it inside again. Will it sink or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, it seems to be that should be. Yeah.
It's filled now, actually.
It's almost. Yes, it's almost on the surface, but still it's 50-50. It's more. My dear, but it's better. Yeah? It's better. Let's change the situation. Change we.
Yeah.
Yes. Do you know what should we do? We'll cut it. Cut it into pieces. How many of ours? We are
5. Oh,
five.
actually, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
Okay.
4.
I will tell you. I will tell you. Yes, these parts. Let's do one. It sinks.
Yes.
Yes.
It sinks.
Yes.
And we'll try one more. It sinks.
Yes.
My dear, what have we changed? What have we changed? I will tell you. When the first time we used, and our orange was on the surface, it was floating. The thing was that we have it unpeeled. Yes, unpeeled. It was the full usual orange, and there is a small amount of air between the peeling part, yes, and between the orange itself, and it helps the orange to float, not to sink. Then what we have done? We have peeled a little bit, yes, but still it was some white part again, and again there was some air inside. By the way, we put it, and again it was floating, but a little bit less, yeah, than the full unpeeled orange. And then when we cut it, and almost was no air in this membrane, yeah, by the way, it sinks. It sinks totally. That is the thing. That's why this very short, I should say, and very simple experiment, you may repeat at home, yes? With a floating egg here, and with the orange that can sink, yeah? Yeah. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you. So, goodbye. See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.